Hey guys, it's Trisha, Nature Lover Canada, and we are in the town of Faro, Yukon, and we are hiking the Gorder Falls Trail, I think it's called. It's a trail just across from the visitor center that takes you to a waterfall. It's about a 1.5K out and another 1.5K back. So the town of Faro has a lot of hiking trails, lots to do in terms of outdoor activities. Not a lot of services. There are some different accommodations, but the views in this town are spectacular. It's an old mining town, and that's what we can tell you about it. It actually says it's 0.8 kilometers to the Gorder Falls viewing deck, it says, from here. Those lupins smell good. Oh, the skeeties. Look at this stuff when it's green, Lee. Before it turns yellow and white. So there's a lot of different plants that we're not accustomed to seeing, but there's also a lot that we see in northern Ontario, because we have the boreal forest there. We have a lot more Canadian shield per se, so a lot more rocks. We would normally see a lot more rocks in this kind of environment. Some great informational signs along this trail, and some evidence of wildlife. Seen some fairly large scat from anything from a moose or something hoofed like that, and possibly bear. Not bear scat, we saw scavenging. These are some of the informational signs that they have, which are really well done. Hey guys, we're at the Faro Arboretum. This is supposed to teach us about local trees and shrubs and flora and fauna and stuff like that. So we're gonna go and check this out, and then we're gonna head back to the cabin because we're staying at a an off-grid cabin just outside of Faro called the McGundy Getaway. So we've already hiked to the waterfall. We drove up a dirt road to see the viewing platform, or the sheep center. There were no sheep there. What are they called? Fannin sheep? It's kind of a hybrid between the Dal and the stone sheep. So this Arboretum is just a in town, out of town. Just a little bit out of town. And we're just going to check this out and see what we can learn, because there's a lot of plants here that are very similar or the same. Like I'm seeing right now, I'm seeing yarrow, for example. There's lots of clovers here. Wild strawberries and raspberries and things like that. But there are a lot of other things that we're seeing that we don't quite know what it is. And so we thought we would come here and learn about it. It's always nice when you're traveling to do a variety of things. We love to hike, of course, but we also like to learn things about culture and history and the indigenous people of the land. And so today we're going to learn about plants. I think my bug juice ran out
Grizzly bears
on this
use
trail.
berries as an important food source in August. Yes, mine too.
So these are the signs that are out here. They look like they either need to be... Those are the signs that are out here. They either need to be cleaned or replaced. Looks like this trail was actually really quite nice at one point, and it's just gone into a bit of a disrepair. Doesn't look like a lot of people walk it, and some of the signs are missing, and some of the signs that point to plants, the plants aren't actually under that anymore. But lots of potential. Just need somebody to come out and kind of double check that the signs are in the right place still, and maybe tidy up the trail a little bit. Well, let's go back if you want.
I think so.
Okay.
Come.
Sounds like water down there.
It goes way down there too.
Okay. It said it was steep in places.
Yeah. And I don't think it's groomed at all. I don't think you can get through. And shakes this way better. I think this is just a little loop here at the bottom. This might be the end of it, actually.
I think it had a little loop, didn't it?
At the bottom?
I thought I saw a loop, yeah, in the map.
Oh my goodness, that's steep. Wait. Oh, wait. No, wait.